Bitget Trading Guide for Beginners. Welcome to Bitget, a leading global exchange in the blockchain and Web3 sector. Whether you're a novice or seasoned trader, Bitget offers a range of products and services to support your crypto trading journey. This guide will provide you with an overview of the Bitget spot trading and Bitget futures trading to help you get started. Bitget spot trading is ideal for investors holding or investing in cryptocurrencies, and here's what you need to know to begin. Bitget spot trading offers over 500 tokens, providing access to the entire crypto universe. Utilize exclusive tools such as limit orders, trigger orders, and other conditional orders to make informed trading decisions. Employ your personal bot to navigate sideways markets effectively, and adopt a crypto-fitted version of a dollar cost averaging for better investment strategies. Benefit from an automated algorithm-based tool for timely and risk-controlled orders. To quick start, navigate to the Spot section within the Trade tab to explore available trading pairs. After selecting your desired pair, input the amount and choose the type of order, like buy or sell, to execute your trade. And we also have futures trading. It offers high liquidity and stability, making it a preferred choice for many traders. And here's how to begin on trading on Bitget futures. They have USDT, and CoinApp. Under the Trade tab, navigate to Futures and select your desired trading pair. Move funds from the spot account to your futures account by accessing Transfer under the Assets section. You have to specify your trading details, including margin mode, leverage, price, and direction to execute your trade. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.